Hey guys, I'm Anna, and today I'm going to show you how to delete your Expedia account. So first of all, you need to open up the Expedia app on your mobile device. And then from the home screen, tap on this account icon in the bottom right corner. Step 2, scroll all the way down to the bottom. Step 3, over here, you'll see a delete account option. Simply tap on it. Step 4, it'll take you to this screen. Simply checkmark a reason why you're deleting your account, and then hit Submit at the bottom. Step 5, it'll then ask you to confirm whether you want to permanently delete your account or not. Simply tap on the Permanently Delete Account at the bottom, and you're done. Well, that's how you delete your Expedia account. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up to see more videos like this, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.